Veronica Kitty Duterte, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm okay. I'm doing fine. It's a bit more chilly today compared to the recent days. Kaya naka-jacket tayo ngayon.
Kit, how was your visit with Tatay Digong
It
today?
was good actually. I'm grateful. I feel blessed that I think he's doing okay. Not in the perfect condition, but okay. It's enough for me, for us.
Kit, is it okay to ask during your visit, meron ba siyang mga bagay na gustong matikman ulit such as mga pagkain sa Pilipinas or
Nagtanong siya kung anong, kasi sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, pagsulod ni mo din kami tanan ang namayat, ikaw ang nanambok. So basig kami ang priso. So nagtanong siya kung ano ba yung kinakain mo, bakit nawala na yung taba mo. Sabi ko yun pa rin, pero I had danggit. Isa sa mga paborito talaga namin kahapon, luto ni Mama Corpio. Danggit, tsaka yung talagang maalat na danggit. Then, parang nalungkot ako kasi parang nainggit siya, parang ano yung mukha niya. Kasi I don't think it's allowed there because of the smell.
correct
So,
also?
ayun, for sure pula, danggit, and yung mga inato gani mga native sa Amoa, labi na ng mga parat na pagkaon kay maumag yun na iyahang kanang fitting yun sa iyang taste buds.
Above all else, does he miss Davao as much as everybody else is?
Gipangutana po na ho kay nagkuan man ka. Yes, he misses the whole Philippines yun, most especially Davao. But I asked him what he misses the most about home. Pamilya yun daw, number one. And then, sunod na ang mga laing butang, mga people, and also the places.
Kit, today is the end actually no of the INC rally. Pierre Adi made mention yesterday during sa interview nimo na kung anong ginagawa ng tao, ipagpatuloy nyo lang.
Yes.
Na were you able to share to him that matatapos na yung
Yes,
rally for today?
So, ingon ko na I told him that it's the last day today. Sabi niya, he hopes that everything goes well, especially for the people. For the people.
Is there something that he wished to extend to the Filipino in as far as, you know, pagpatuloy ang laban or in as far as...
Yun pa rin, ipagpatuloy niyo yan. Kasi nalulungkot siya na actually tinawag niyang parang lawless na daw ang Pilipinas. I informed him also of I think so many incidents of school violence in the span of a month.
Yes.
Tapos may bago akong nakita, I think a school stabbing incident in Zamboanga. If I'm
Correct.
So talagang nalungkot siya at sinabi niya na ipagpatuloy natin to because ipagpatuloy natin kung anong ginagawa natin because we cannot keep going on like this. The country cannot keep going on like this because the lives, especially of the youth, are at stake.
Is he aware as well of the developments such as yung mga pag-file ng plunder case sa mga kaibigan niya? Meron siya mga reaction about that?
Syempre, siya, yung parang mukha niya na gano'n, alam niyo yun, di ba? So, parang no comment siya dun na part, pero kaya naman daw yan ni Sen kasi malaki ang tiwala niya and alam niyang may panindigan sila. So, ayun, kasi wala he can't do much kung kahit anong sabihin niya. It's not as if may magagawa siya from inside.
May question ba kayo guys from the
Classmates,
Yeah.
Alvin lang perfect.
but
No, kaping.
Madam Ana,
Health po. Ang health niya.
health niya, I think na most of you got the hint that I am not as worried these days. Hindi pa rin tayo kampante kasi he is 81 years old. But I think the shift in his mental state has been a big impact to his overall health. Hindi naman sa masaya siya doon. Sabi niya, kailan ba daw matatapos yung pagdudusa niya doon. But he's okay. Actually, no, nagkarakarap ako pasulod. Wala ko ni dagan ganina.
Wala.
Wala ko ni dagan. Pero nagkarakara mi pasulod kay malate na lagi ko. Pero pag-abot na ko dito, usa ka oras pa ko naghuwat kay nagkaon pa siya. So, sige na lang at least no ni kaon. So, he's okay.
Sa yung ikaon mo na cake.
wa daw siya kahinumdum basta lami daw parat.
Ay, basta parati ay
Sa parat.
But Kit, for you as a Duterte, no, I know that that surname comes with a much heavy burden to some. No, if characterize that, is there something that you wishes to extend to the Filipino people? I know we always ask that, but perhaps with the development happening in the Philippines, you have a different discerning thoughts or convictions.
I think that most of the people, no, most people when they come across us, when they come across me, they think of us as brave people, kanang mga isog yun, kay Bisaya, ay ana. And I get that and I appreciate that. Ang ano ko lang sa inyo, no, I think we should all stand by something. We should all continue to stand by something. We should all dapat dili gyud ma bend ang ato ang principles ba. So for the Filipinos, you keep standing for what you think is right. You keep standing by what you believe in kasi we are nothing without our principles. We are nothing without the very things that we fight and we live by.
Kitty, on behalf of the Filipino community all over the world, lumaban kayo kasi we are with you in this fight.
Lumaban
Mabuhay.
tayong lahat, patuloy sa laban, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you, Kit.
Thank you.